be out of sight so fast, you know.
Yeah, okay. Watch it move one more time.
It is. Oh! There goes more branches!
Get over here.
I'm getting this shit on video.
Hey, go get my fucking lawnmower.
You go get your lawnmower.
Run! Oh my god!
Oh, so matters to him.
Oh my god.
Shut up!
This is crazy.
Go get my fucking...
Nobody's going down there, psycho! Nobody's gonna die for it, okay?
Ah!
Whoa!
Oh, here it goes. Get back. No, get over here. Get over here.
Come on, Grandma!
Get up. Get over there.
What? There's nothing to worry about over there.
It's falling that way. It's fine.
Look at that tree now. Look at that little tree.
Yeah, it's about ready to break.
No, you're not sitting down.
Yeah.
Fine. Here, the falls on you. Falls on you.
This is fucked. This is so fucked. I'm sorry, but I'm taking a video
Get out
of
of
it.
there.
What are you talking about? It's falling straight down. It's going with the tree. It's going to be fine.
Just let him freak out, okay? Just let him freak out. It's getting awesome background for a tree falling, so shut
guess.
up. Shut up. I'm recording this right now. This is in town. We want to thunk it.
He's gonna let it fall on us.
It's not gonna fall on you. You're not gonna die.
It's not.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Here, whoa! That one broke. That tree's broke. It's
Not yet. It's still got that stabilizer.
Yeah, that stabilizer ain't gonna last that long.
There it goes.
Yep, there it goes.
There it goes! And it's gone! It's gone! Wow! Bear, get back in! Get the dog back in the house!
in the house.
Bear!
Inside.
Woo!
That was cool. Come on.
Timber!
I knew it was gonna happen anytime.
Well, there we go. It's done. No more freaking out.
It didn't fucking hurt the goddamn garage.
It actually did.